Ngiyamazi umalume ohlala eSoweto. Ngiyamazi umalume wamakipkipwa. Ngiyamazi umalume ohlala eSoweto.
Do you know the skipping game, the skipping game, the skipping game? Do you know the skipping game? We play it in Soweto. Yes, I know the skipping game, the skipping game, the skipping game. Yes, I know the skipping game. I play it with my friends.
Uyakwazi kudlala inqwabeshu. Uyakwazi kudlala isidlala eSoweto. Ngiyayazi inqwabeshu kudlala inqwabeshu. Ngiyayazi inqwabeshu ngidlala nabangani bami. Ngomne istrawberry, ubanana noshokolete. Phuthuma sitholelwe ice cream wakho. Umnandi lapho.
Oh, do you know the ice cream van, the ice cream man, the ice cream van? Do you know the ice cream van that comes to Soweto?
Uyayazi motoka ice cream leno malume. Uyayazi moto efika le Soweto. Ngiyayazi motoka ice cream leno malume. Ngiyayazi moto efika eSoweto. Uyamazi umalume wamakipkipwa. Uyamazi umalume ohlala eSoweto. Yes, I know I'm a kip man, I'm a kip man, I'm a kip man. Yes, I know I'm a kip man who lives in Soweto.